Alright everyone, Grail Punt number 599, the first appearance of She-Hulk, Savage She-Hulk number 1, Halo 9.4. Let's get this started. So going live and the time, time there is 5:50 and the time at Perth is 5:51. WA time on the 16th of December. Let's grab this list. So we've got number 1, we've got Kevin, down spot 50, which is Jess in that list. Jess down the bottom there, and ooh, what are these gaps? Kevin, just get rid of these. That's never happened before. Alright, so they're all the spots are there, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and down to 1. Alright, I'm not sure what that was all about. Let's 3 dice roll it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, let's get this started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just double check that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, 2 to go. Good luck, everyone. Final one now. Let's see if I can get this down quick enough. I'm not sure if I did. So we've got 11 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the 16th of December. Alright, good luck. Let's see who's taking this one out. And winner is Stephen Reynolds. Out of the blue. Alright, well done, mate. I'm sure no one else is going to be happy about that, but you're the winner. Alright, done. Current time in Perth is 5:53, and the current time is run at 5:53. Cool, thanks everyone. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this. Thanks.